Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Bombay Halwa, which is also known as Karachi Halwa. This is so soft and just melts in your mouth. This is so easy to make, and without further delay, let's get started. These are the ingredients required to make Bombay Halwa. The main ingredient is corn flour. First, I'm going to grease the setting tray. Add some ghee on the tray and spread it evenly. Add in some chopped pistachios and almonds. Take 1 cup of corn flour in a mixing bowl. Add in 2 cups of water little by little and mix well. Mix the corn flour and water nicely. Keep it aside and let's move on to the next step. In a big size pan, take 2 1/4 cup of sugar. In goes 2 cups of water. Totally we have taken 4 cups of water. 2 cups of water we have used to mix in the corn flour. Give it a mix and cook it in medium flame until the sugar dissolves. The sugar has dissolved and boiling now. Add in the corn flour mix slowly and continue mixing. You have to mix it continuously so that no lumps form. Stir it until the mix thickens and turns transparent. Look at it friends, the halwa mix is transparent now. Add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. In goes 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now add in 3 drops of red food color. You can add any food color as per your wish. Now the halwa is thickened and looks shiny. Add in 1 tablespoon of chopped cashew nuts. Add in 2 tablespoons of ghee little by little and continue mixing. This recipe requires little amount of ghee when compared to other halwa. The Karachi halwa has thickened perfectly. This should be the consistency of the halwa. Switch off the flame and transfer this immediately onto the setting tray. Sprinkle some chopped pistachios or any other nuts. Cool this halwa completely for 2 to 3 hours. After setting the halwa for 2 hours, you could see it just leaves from the sides of the tray. Flip the halwa on a plate. You have to cool this halwa completely before unmolding, or else it just collapses while demolding it. Slice it into any desired shapes. Karachi halwa is ready to be served now. This halwa is so soft and just melts in your mouth. Do try this Bombay halwa and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.